cup, pour 1/4 cup pomegranate juice. Make sure that the juice is 100% juice and not combined with other juices. Next, add 1/2 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon red wine vinegar, and a dash of salt. And we'll add 1 teaspoon of honey to add just a tad of sweetness to the salad dressing. And lastly, we'll add 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil, whisking in 2 tablespoons at a time to create an emulsion. The pits and quarter 1 cup of dates. Cut a head of radicchio in half. To remove the core, cut a V along the sides of the core and pull it out. Slice the radicchio into 1/2 inch pieces. With the nubby core facing upwards, use a sharp knife to make a circle around it. Pull it out. When you pull out the core, the leaves will just fall apart. Wash them and put them in a salad spinner to remove any excess water. Salad bowl, add 2.5 cups of arugula, 2 cups of the radicchio, 1 cup of pitted and quartered dates, and 1/4 cup of slivered almonds. Using salad tongs, toss to combine. On a salad plate, arrange a bed of butter lettuce. Add approximately 1 scant cup of the arugula mix, and top with 1 tablespoon of feta cheese. Drizzle with the pomegranate dressing and enjoy! The dates and pomegranate juice make this the perfect addition to your Ramadan feast or any time of the year. Visit In Pam's Kitchen on social media.